Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
Well, this is the 16th anniversary of Mad Money. It's also the one-year anniversary of a very tough year for many. However, in the darkness, there was light in the selfless women and men who have served on the front lines to keep us all safe. Tonight, we are honoring those who stepped up to help with a special lightning round featuring just those essential workers. So now it is time. It is time for the lightning round. Play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski daddy. Time for the lightning round. Cramer tonight. Start with Patty in New York. Thank you, Patty.
Hello, Mr. Cramer. Thank you so much for taking my call. I've been a long-time fan, and I had no investing knowledge. And by watching your show, I learned how to invest, and now I have a small portfolio.
Thank you.
And I wanted to also thank you so much for your support of the healthcare professionals.
Of course.
In the pandemic.
Of course.
It really meant so much. I felt like you had our voice. You were our voice.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate it very much.
Thanks.
My stock question is Palantir.
Look, Palantir is a great growth company, but I've got to tell you something, Patty. They have contracts that, because they're with the government, I don't know what they're doing. So as long as it's such a black box, I cannot advise you to buy shares, but I sure can thank you for those great comments. Now we're going to Tony in New York. Tony.
Oh, man. Jimmy, chill. Thanks so much for taking the call. Big Buffalo Bills, booyah to you.
I was with the Bebouts this weekend. We're talking about going up there for one of the games. Say hello to my buddy Sean McDermott. How you been?
Oh, we love it. Been doing good. We got light at the end of the tunnel here in the city, so yes. I'm happy it's not a year ago. You know what I mean?
Ah, good for you, and thank you for your help.
Of course. Thanks for having me on. Just wanted to ask, I know I'm on a roller coaster ride with Fiverr. Am I going up? Am I going down?
What I thought it was great that Fiverr canceled that. They were going to do that big offering, and they canceled it. And we like them. We like the freelance model. We think they're terrific. I understand the stock's very high. I think you're fine. It's going to could go down a little, but I think you're fine, and I thank you for your help. And now we're going to Michael in California. Michael.
Booyah, Professor Cramer from sunny San Diego. How you doing?
I am doing well. How about you?
Doing great. I'm calling in to talk about a company that has been transforming healthcare, that has gotten hit hard recently from the transformation from growth to more value investing. This company is up 84% in the past year and is down from its highs of 308 on February 8th to closing today at 201. I am calling to ask you what you think about Teladoc Health.
Okay, I have to tell you, I think Teladoc is for real. I like the whole game plan. I like that acquisition they made. Now, here's the problem. There are others that want to be in that business, and right now, if people think there's going to be a boom, Teladoc stock is going to underperform. Can you own it for the long term, though? Yes, because it's got a great business model, and it's going to save the system a fortune. And we must save Medicare. No matter what, Medicare must be saved, and they're part of the solution, not part of the problem. Eddie in New York. Eddie.
Hey, Jim. Booyah.
Booyah, Eddie.
So, Jim, I've been having a stock for a while, Exact Science, EXAS. They are the company behind the Cologuard and the screening test for early detection of colorectal cancer and precancer.
I think it's real. I think that they've got much more in the pipeline. That's why the stock's trading up. I think that they are, again, a problem solver of a disease that can be stopped if we catch it early enough. And that's one of the reasons why I have liked EXAS. And by the way, can I just tell you that very early on, we had Kevin Conroy on, and very few people were believers. We were, and we still are. Bree in Washington. Bree.
Hi, Jim. Thank you so much for having me. I want to give a huge shout out to my dad who's listening and loved your show.
Oh,
my question is about Beyond Meat.
Right.
Look,
I got to tell you, I know this is painful to a lot of the bears out there, but that's not who I play for. I think that Ethan is real. We're talking about Ethan Brown from Beyond Meat. I think that these guys, a lot of people confuse things. But when we start having services open up and cafeterias open up, you're going to see Beyond Meat and Ethan Brown shine. Here's what people don't realize. A lot of the other guys have GMOs. And in this next generation, that might as well be an internal combustible engine. Aaron in Ohio. Aaron.
Hi, Jim. First, I want to say thank you for having encouraged everyone to get the COVID vaccine when it's their turn. The economy and the virus go hand in hand. I look forward to the day when we win this war and return to normal.
Proud
I've been
to be a supporter.
looking into buying Tanger Outlets SKT.
Look, I happen to think that like Federal Realty and like Simon Properties, Tanger's good. Now, last week it got adopted because there's a big short interest. That's not why you buy things. You buy things because they're good. Stock's a little hot right here. Let it come in, but I think it's fine. And thanks to everyone for everything they did who called in. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.